So greetings everyone, I hope you all are doing really well, and today I'll be demonstrating you how to use SRAC software. So we'll open it. Depending upon the version which you have, the UI might look different, but ultimately the concept remains the same. So for analyzing the result, we'll go here in data extraction section. We'll go and select the list of students which we want to analyze, and this should be the particular format in which you are giving the input to the software. Remember guys, all the USN should be in upper caps and there should not be any extra space present in the USN. Once this is completed, we'll select the Excel sheet which is required for the analysis, and we'll go to the VTU website and just copy the link from where you can access the results. Once this is completed, I would like to show you the time which it takes for downloading all the content. Okay, so in less than 40 seconds, it has downloaded all the 64 PDF, and let's go and analyze them. So these are all the subjects which we need to enter the data for. So we'll simply copy it. So this is the type of content which we require. We'll just copy it and we'll go to a subject data section. We'll go to this Excel sheet and just paste it over here. As you can see, this we don't need because we already have it over here. We'll copy this, we'll paste it over here. We'll just copy it and paste it over here, and after which we'll give the subject specific code, such as this is 4 credit, this is also 4 credit, cryptography is of 3 credit, major project is of 2 credit, deep learning is probably of 3 credit. Whatever faculty name you wish, you can give it here as it is, no need to worry about anything. We can go over here and we can select the 7th semester option, and we can select the respective subject code which is needed. So once we select, you just need to click on synthesize. 7 students are filled in more than 2 subject, and this is class average and all those things. You can see it over here. But this is the professional report which has been generated, and as you can see, each and every data is 110% accurate. This software has been extended to total of 5 colleges as of now, and if you people are interested in taking this, you feel free to message me on LinkedIn. And remember guys, that so principal of that college has to officially send an email to me requesting access of this software. And yeah guys, that's it.